What is up, guys? This is the 179 Bob Killer, and today we are back playing some Sons of the Forest. I'm in a very different location than last time. That's because off camera I was fixing and twiddling with my settings, and I found a way to get Kelvin to follow me down that hill. And I set up base in the middle of the night, doing some of the grunt work. I built this little house thing. So yeah, this is my little house. And yeah, I started building a tiny little wall with like my leftover logs. I want to go exploring though, so I'm gonna tell Kelvin to stay put. He can like relax, take a break. Let's see. You stay here at shelter. Yeah. I also am surrounded by cannibals. I did not realize when I was doing this that when I was like building over here, cannibals were literally everywhere. So yeah, I accidentally built right next to like a cannibal base. So cannibals have been chilling. They haven't attacked me too much. I've only had to kill a couple of them. The audio has still been chopping a little bit, but it's not as bad as it was before. Hopefully it fixes itself. It was fixing itself earlier when I was playing by myself, so I don't know why it's becoming worse now. Maybe it's because I turned that recording button on. But, hopefully it's not going to be too crazy. I haven't explored at all yet, so I've just kind of been ignoring these places. I've been waiting to record before I explore. Got printer ink. Oh. Virginia is over here. She's holding some leaves, it looks like. That's an interesting sound that she makes. Pick whatever that is. Oh, aloe vera. Interesting. So, there's printer stuff here. I've heard that there's a 3D printer somewhere in the map. So that's pretty cool that we can like 3D print stuff. I want to go to these purple little exclamation points. Also, I've noticed that I'm starving, but there's not really that much I can do about that. I guess I can pick some berries. No, I can't pick berries because I need to open up my pack and eat them. There needs to be an option to like eat multiple of these at the same time, because as it is right now, this is taking a long time. And it's not even refilling that much hunger. I wonder if you can combine the berries with something else. No. This animation as well, like while I think it's cool, doing this repeatedly is kind of like meh. It's a nice snapping noise that it makes though. I like that snap noise. Alright, let's get out of that and pick up these blueberries now. Pick up whatever that is. Pick up all this random stuff that's on the ground here. Alright. More blueberries? Sure. So we want to head towards this exclamation point, purple exclamation point, going through the chopped audio. I swear, I did everything in my power to fix the audio. I put all my specs onto low, so it's like the most least strain on my system. I even turned motion blur back on, and the most I can get the audio down is kind of like this semi-chopped audio, so yeah. Because, like, once I'm in an area, it, like, fixes itself, but when I'm moving, it's, like, gets chopped, which is kind of weird. Alright, so we need to be heading this direction. Some nice water flow right here. I wonder if I can drink some water. Yeah, I can. There we go, we got some nice water. Got new crafting recipes. Wait, it wants me... That's not what I pressed. Interesting. Do I have to be like looking at the ground? Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, I killed some cannibals, got these skin pouches that I can open. I don't know what's inside of them. I guess I can open this one right now just to see what's inside of it. Oh, that's cool. It's just actual supplies storage here. It's pretty cool. You know, we'll eat candy bar. I clicked eat. Nothing happened. Maybe it just teleported over here. There we go. Let's open up this other skin pouch. That's really cool, actually, that we can get this loot from these cannibals. Oh, nice. We got coins. Duct tape. So that's an easy way to get duct tape. That's actually pretty cool. I need more rope, though. I'm all out of rope, as you guys see. I could collect some more sticks and rocks as well. This is a dude. Can I, no, I don't think I can. Let's pull out the stabby stick. I still don't know how to, let's put the map away. I don't know how to hotkey things yet, so I'm kind of just stuck here without hotkeying things. Oh, okay, we got him. Gonna get us a turtle shell. Got some meat. Wait, are there no turtle shells? Got more meat, though. That's all that matters. What's even funnier is I actually put my phone out here so I can keep time of these videos, and I forgot to hit the start button, so classic me. Let's keep going this direction. Pull that map back out. I remember I like walked past this exclamation point. It's like a dude hanging, but I didn't like investigate it too much. There's a camp down here. Yeah, it's like somewhere. I think we can see him from here, can we? There's some dude just like hanging from the mountain. There's a lot of music. Yo, someone was jamming. Looks like there's a backpack, a laptop. We break that laptop. Yeah, we can. Oh, we can change the type of music being played. Oh, there's definitely cannibals over here. What's this? Do we just get a modern axe? That's actually really cool. Oh. That lovely choppy audio.
Coconut cherry, future bar.
They added an ad. That's funny. Oh, we got grenades, some C4. That's pretty cool. These things stuff I can take, yeah. Alright, well that's really cool. That's really cool. Yeah. Let's... Can I pick this up? It doesn't seem like I can. Yeah, we'll save after finding this. That's actually pretty cool. This dead dude over here. Nothing on him, though. Open crate. Got a lot of C4. Gosh. Got some flares. And a rock. Can I, like, unzip this? No. Some more bins in here. Wait, did I just collect... Did that say paper target? What was that? I have no clue what that thing was that I collected. Oh yeah, I crafted a bow, but I have no arrows, so... I could have sworn that said paper target, but I don't know. I have to look back in the video now, because I'm not seeing anything out of the ordinary here. Oh wait, I do have arrows? When did I find arrows? I don't remember finding that. I did die a couple times. And when you die, it seems you get dragged off to an encampment. You have to break out with this guy jumping around. So maybe it's something to do when I like got myself out from there. Yeah, we are marching towards this little exclamation point. That was really cool that we found that thing. You know, let's hold the modern axe actually, because we got that modern axe. Where's it located? Yeah, look at this thing. It does a lot of damage apparently. In fact, it does better damage than the little spear. Collect that stuff, whatever this is. Collect all that. Get my audio chopping. I hope that they release some type of bug fix for this audio chopping. Can I jump up the rocks? Yeah. Let's jump up here. You know, we got some more meds. I should probably chaunch in some meds. Ugh, just downing an entire bottle of an entire container of meds. I'm sure that's very healthy. Don't try that at home, kids. Alright, so this thing likes to beep. Oh, we got some rope. Can I pick it up? Yeah. Oh, we got a lot of stuff here. Oh, I can't carry any more vodka. Well, you know when I can't carry any more vodka, I gotta make a Molotov. Cool. Alright, this thing is actually getting really annoying. Can I... No. I know this guy hanging, like, down there. Oh, I broke it. It was a little laggy when I broke it, but I broke it. Can I, like, drop down here without dying? Well, we're gonna find out. Okay, I took a decent portion of damage there. Okay, we collected the noise thing. We can make some more Molotovs. Looks like 2 more Molotovs. Do I even have cloth, though? I don't even have cloth. That's sad. Why didn't you give me cloth? Yeah, so that's that. We're just gonna have to leave those there then. So we collected that thing that was beeping. Is this thing right here? GPS locator. I'm guessing once we collect all 3, something will happen. Nope, that's not the right button. Yeah, you can change your map. Okay, this is like the super big map. So let's go over this direction. We'll hit this little pulsing green circle, and then whatever that is, that in the ocean? There's like a thing in the ocean, I guess. I wonder if there's sharks in the game. There were sharks in the last game, and I never actually saw one, but I knew they existed. I was never in the ocean that much. Yeah, see, if I stay in one spot, the audio fixes itself. Well, it's just another golf cart. That's funny. Well, there's a cave here. But it's not marked as one of the caves on the map. Oh, I wonder if that's what this green circle means. Does that mean I missed a cave back there? Okay, I'm frozen. Uh-oh. That was so laggy. I hope that's not like that for the rest of the time. Oh my gosh, I'm like... my frames are gone. Okay, that's not working. Can I pull out my lighter? Thank you. Oh. Okay, so this is not a normal cave. Did I accidentally, like, find the end game area? What the heck? Well, there's a lot of tape here. I'll take the tape. Wire. Printer serum. Batteries. Oh, I can save here? Yeah, why not? Right? Why not? Got a laptop I can break. Can I break this? Yep. I don't know where the item went. Arrows! Arrows, let's go. We got some arrows. Oh, and we got freeze. The lag is a little crazy in here. Is this a book? Parallel universe? What? Arrows? Flask? Mask? Grappling hook? Tech mesh? Sled. Oh, it looks like it uses those printer things we've been collecting. Oh, is this the... oh, this must be the 3D printer then. Oh, I get it. So, we insert... I see. We inserted printer resin. Some more printer resin here. So we got a 3D sled? Well, sure, let's 3D print the sled. Oh, is it actually just going to build it in front of us? This is all survival right here. All you need to survive is a 3D printer. This is what the game tells us. That's really cool. That's actually just 3D printing us a sled. Is it going to do it in like 2 chunks? Is this going to be like 1/2? Do you have to do it again? My stuff, is it gonna even load in? Look, my stuff isn't even loading in. Oh, it's up here. Printed sled. No, that's a full sled right there. That's crazy. Alright, well, we got the sled. Can print arrows. I want to print this flask though. Oh wait, I didn't put any... yeah, let me put some resin in there. Well, this is really cool though. There's just a 3D printer here. And the fact they can print arrows means I basically just have unlimited arrows. Alright, we got a flask. I'm guessing we can put water in that now. A mask. Let's go for the mask. I want to see what this mask is. It's red. Ooh, it looks angry. Huh. I'm holding it in my hand. Can I put it on? Oh, there we go. Look. Ooh, scary, spooky. Okay, I could probably put away the lighter here, actually. Grappling hooks? Sure. That's interesting. Look at me, I'm a big spooky man. I don't like how much of, like, the area it blocks, though. Alright, well, we got some grappling hooks, it looks like. Well, I'm gonna save one more time, because it's getting close to the time where I gotta call it quits for this episode. But thank you all for joining me. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next episode.